Understanding mass production, a key concept in manufacturing. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept in the world of manufacturing and industry: mass production. This term is vital in understanding how products are made and distributed on a large scale. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of mass production together. Mass production is a method of producing goods in large quantities at a relatively low cost per unit. This process is characterized by the use of assembly lines, standardized products, and advanced machinery. It revolutionized the way products are manufactured, making them more accessible to a wider audience. The concept of mass production dates back to the early 20th century, with the automobile industry playing a pivotal role in its development. The most notable example is Henry Ford's Model T production line. This innovative approach dramatically reduced costs and increased efficiency, setting a new standard in manufacturing. Mass production offers several benefits. 1. Lower costs. Due to economies of scale, producing large quantities reduces the cost per unit. 2. Efficiency. Streamlined processes and specialized machinery lead to faster production. 3. Uniformity. Products are consistent in quality and appearance. 4. Accessibility. Reduced costs make products more affordable for consumers. Despite its advantages, mass production also faces criticisms. Environmental impact. Large-scale production can lead to increased waste and pollution. Worker satisfaction. Repetitive tasks on assembly lines can be monotonous for workers. Quality concerns. Rapid production might lead to compromised quality in some cases. Mass production has profoundly influenced the manufacturing industry, making products more affordable and available. While it comes with its set of challenges, its impact on our daily lives is undeniable. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what mass production is and why it's such an important concept in the modern world. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful videos.